Hey, good day and welcome back. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about totals with quick analysis. Quick analysis provides a simple way to do simple things. All of the features provided by quick analysis are also available. This is usually with more options and features by using the ribbon. You will find yourself using quick analysis a lot to save time when adding simple totals to ranges. So let's open hours worked 1 from the session 1 sample files folder. I already have mine open. Please select enable editing. Now select every cell in range F3 to F8. I will simply click inside the range and press Ctrl A on my keyboard. Notice that the quick analysis button has appeared at the bottom, right here. Now understand the quick analysis totals options. Now let's click on the button itself. Okay, look at the options that exist. There are 5 tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Across the top of the quick analysis palette. Now click the totals tab. There are 10 icons. You need to use the scroll right arrow right here to see all of them. See that? See that? So there are 10 in total. The first 5 icons will add totals to the bottom of the range. As you can see, look at the blue border at the bottom, the blue border at the bottom. This indicates that these 5 buttons are used to add totals at the bottom. You can see how the totals are changing right here at the bottom as I point at each of these. See? See? Okay? Good. Now let's click both the quick analysis sum buttons to show total hours worked for each employee and total hours worked for each day. Okay? So total hours worked for each employee, I will use the sum button, and then total hours for each day, select total. I will select this sum button that adds totals to the right. Okay, good. Good so far. Now notice that as you hover the mouse cursor over each icon, a preview of the result is shown on the worksheet. Don't forget that. See, as you point, there's a preview. I already mentioned that earlier. Okay. Now delete the contents of column G and row 9. Column G, right click and delete, and then row number 9, right click and delete. Okay. Now use the quick analysis average buttons to show average hours worked for each employee and average hours worked for each day. Remember, select the data first. So I click inside and press Ctrl A. Okay. The quick analysis tools are now displayed at the bottom. Now click on the icon and then select totals. Then select average at the bottom, see, and then average on the side. Good. So average for each day and then average for each employee. Good so far. So in this lesson, you have learned how to use the quick analysis totals in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next lesson.